Hi, today I'm going to discussing with you how can you improve your English and be fluent in English. The first thing is you should remove your hesitation, and the second one is practice every day, and the third is learn new words, and the fourth is watching English related podcasts, cartoons. And I will not suggest to watch movies because I'm Islamic person. Watching movies is haram. So hesitation, you know, hesitation is a great barrier and a barrier of spoken English. If you can remove it, how can you remove? The first question is that how can you remove this hesitation? I will answer this question very easily. Lock your door, window, and be alone. And if you add something as additional, you can start music loudly so that none can listen you're practicing. Then you can start. And what you will start, it depends on you how much vocabulary, how much knowledge about English you have. Suppose as you know the three words in English, A, B, C. So now you should start with A, B, C. Start music, locking door, and window, and you start A, B, C, A, B, C, different ways. And if you can do this, and success will come to you. And the second thing is everyday practice, such as if you follow a cricketer, one can do. I want to say about Brand Lara, who was a great cricketer, and he did 400 in a test, a great runs. Well, it's great runs. But if you do this 400 runs in four tournament, 4 matches, it will be effective. It will be more effective because this 400 will impact on the 4 games. And one time is not what they say. 4 time is more effect than 1 times. So if you practice speaking English, spoken English regularly, it's maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, half hour, no matter, then it will help you so much. And the third one is learn new words, new vocabulary. You can start from 2 words a day, or 5 words a day, or 10 words a day. If you think if you practice in the morning spoken English 5 10 minutes, and in the night before going to bed, you learn 10 words every day, 10 words, and weekly you can revise all the words you have learned. And if you do it 10, and monthly it will be 300, and 10 months it will be 3,000. So think how huge amount words it will be gained. So everyday practice. And the third one is watching a podcast, English related podcast and cartoons. And I don't prefer watching movie and listening song. And by watching movie or by watching podcast, you will be able to learn. And you also listen news podcast. It will be easy to get the accent, the pronunciation, the RP, receivable pronunciation. And by this you'll learn how can they speak, and what type of words they are using in the dialogues, and what type of words you need to learn, and what gap you have. It will help your listening power, and it will refresh your pronunciations and so on. And other thing is practice face to face. How can you start practice face to face? At first you go on the mirror and try to speak yourself on self. And when you start to speak on the mirror, because there is none except you, so it will be very easy for you to practice on self. And if you follow these rules, and 1 and 2 years, it will be easily you can be fluent. And how much what you need to learn actually depends on you what type of work you are doing, and what type of English vocabulary you need. Suppose I'm a student, or I'm a digital marketer, so I need marketing words. And if I'm a fisherman, I need fishing words. If I'm a hotel boy, then I need hotel related words, food related words. So it depends on the sector of what. Language cannot be learned in 6 months, 3 month course, or a 6 month course on 1 year. So it depends on you how much you need. You don't need to learn the whole English. You don't need digest the whole vocabulary or 6,000 and 1,000 words. Just you need how much, what is work, and how types of words they need. Suppose as I'm watching cricket, so I need cricket related words, for 6, 4, extra cover, this kinds of words. And if I watch the football, then I need to learn free kick, a goal, and a referee, this type of words. So it depends on you actually what type of English you are going to learn, and what is your working sector, and why you are learning. So I hope you have understood what I want to say. So at last I wanna give my identity. Actually, I'm not a professional, I'm not a teacher, and I don't have any kind of certificate in this field of speaking spoken English. Actually, I do freelancing, and I